Hey, it's Michael, and I got a couple tips today. I'm in the middle of a bathroom renovation in my condo, and we ripped out all the tile on the floor, and then we had to rip out the cement board that the tile was adhered to, and that went about not so well. So as I started getting these out, what I discovered was that the morons who installed this originally, half of the screws were drywall screws, and they have a Phillips head, and the other half were the square head screws. And both of them were filled with the thin set. So rather than waste so much time trying to get my bit into there, it was very difficult to get through the thin set. It was in there so firmly. It was just ridiculous. I couldn't get them out. And of course, the easiest way to get them out is if they're not stripped. Just use your, there, that's the easiest way. For the ones that I couldn't get out with the thin set in them, I had to think of another way to do it. Bah! Did not go so well. As a matter of fact, I gave up after one screw. It just took forever. So then I started looking at other options, like maybe I can use my reciprocating saw. No, that wasn't really a good option. Maybe I could use a grinding disc. Nah, that didn't seem like a good solution either. Finally, I was looking around for an idea, and I saw my pair of pliers. Guess what? The pair of pliers was the easiest and fastest solution. Ta-da! So I know there's a lot of contractors that are going to watch this, and they're probably thinking, you moron, you could have just used a sledgehammer to bash them in, or a crowbar to pull them out, or whatever. But I didn't want to rip up the wood any more than it was already ripped up. It was pretty rough shape anyway. So my method was just to use my head and try to figure it out. So for any of the screws that were filled with thin set and I just couldn't get them out any other way, I just grabbed my pair of pliers. Bingo, they came right out. I know this is a stupid tutorial, but you know, it really took me a while to figure this one out. Sometimes it's just the simple tool that gets the job done rather than some expensive tool that you might have laying around. So you got to think through these things sometimes, and maybe that's obvious to some of you, but to me it wasn't obvious. And a pair of pliers is what saved my day. And they came out, each one probably only took about 10 seconds to get out, if that. So that's my little tip for the day. Hope this helped you out a little bit. And have a great day. Hit that subscribe button if you found this helpful, and we'll catch you next time.